7 hidden iOS settings you need to turn on for iOS 26. So get ready to unlock your iPhone's true power. In this video, we are exploring hidden iOS settings you probably didn't know about. Okay, tip number 1 is to enable haptic feedback keyboard. Typing feels better and faster with haptics. So first, go back to your home screen and tap on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Then tap on Keyboard Feedback. So go down, tap on Keyboard Feedback. And from here, make sure haptic feedback is turned on. So tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Okay, so tip number 2 is the back tap shortcut. Double tap the back of your iPhone to run actions like screenshot, flashlight, or open apps. Okay, so go into setting, and then we scroll down and tap on accessibility. Next, tap on touch, and then we scroll down and tap on back tap. To turn on, you can use the double tap or triple tap. So let's select double tap. In here, there are a lot of things you can do. You can use the action button to simulate the action button here. Open app switcher, open camera, camera control, turn on flashlight, or take a screenshot. So if you scroll through the list here, you can see there are lots of functions you can assign to double tap. Okay, so quite a lot. So I'm just going to say take screenshot. So we assign a screenshot to double tap, and then tap on the back key. You can also assign triple tap. So for triple tap, we can turn on, say, flashlight. So let's test it out. If I double tap like this, the phone will take a screenshot, and if I triple tap, it will turn on the flashlight. And triple tap to switch it off. So that is tip number 2. Moving on to tip number 3 is to silence unknown callers. This will allow you to block spam or scam calls instantly. So let's go into settings. In settings here, we scroll down and tap on apps, and then we look for the phone app. Tap on phone. Now in here, we're going to scroll down, and from here you can go to screen unknown callers and set it to silence, or you can choose ask reason for callings. So calls from unsafe numbers will be asked for more information before iPhone rings. And for call filter, we can turn on unknown callers. So for unknown callers, missed calls and voicemail from unknown numbers will be moved to the unknown caller list. And here for silence, so calls from unsafe numbers will be silenced, and their call will immediately be forwarded to voicemail. They can leave a voicemail message, and their call will be displayed in the reasons list. Now, some people may still find that it's annoying because it still appears in the reasons list. Sometimes 5 or 6 missed calls appear in the reasons list. Okay, but overall, your phone will be silent and it will not ring or vibrate to disturb you. Next, we'll be looking at reducing background app refresh to save battery. So for this tip, we go into settings. So we go back to the main settings page, and we scroll down and tap on general. Then tap on background app refresh. So scroll down and tap on background app refresh. And in here, we tap on background app refresh. And here you can choose Wi-Fi only or simply select off. By turning off background app refresh, all the apps in the list here will be stopped from refreshing data on the background. A lot of the times you don't need to have running on the background to keep refreshing for new data, because once you open up the app, the data will get refreshed anyway. So by turning this off, it can help prevent battery draining on your iPhone. Okay, tip number 5 is to limit app tracking. This will boost privacy and stop apps from tracking you. So for this one, we go into settings, So go back to settings. Then we scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Then tap on tracking. So we go down and we look for tracking. Okay, so maybe somewhere at the top here. So tap on tracking. And from here, you want to turn off. So here's allow apps to request to track. So you want to turn it off and disable tracking. Now, not only by turning off tracking, it can improve your privacy, but it can also save your battery as well, because having tracking turned on, apps will run on the background, constantly seeking and tracking your activities, whether offline or online. So turning that off will also help boost your battery. Okay, tip number 6 is to lock hidden photos album. So if you have sensitive photos or pictures and you want to add in the extra security, you can simply hide the photos album. So for this one, we'll go into settings. So open up settings, and then we scroll down and tap on apps. In here, we look for photos. So scroll down and look for photos. And in here, we want to look for hidden album. So scroll down and find hidden album. So we scroll down and should be somewhere in here. So here it is. So show hidden album, tap on the toggle button to turn it off. So here the hidden album will appear under utilities. So what you want to do is switch it off, so you don't want to show hidden album. Okay, for tip number 7 is to use clean audio for video recording. So this will enable you to remove background noise for pro quality video. This is when you are using your camera to record a video. So open up your camera app. Then we swipe down at the top to open up the control center. At the top here, tap on this green box. And in this settings here, under audio and video, you want to select voice isolation. Okay, so this will allow you to remove background noise while recording a video with your camera. Okay, and finally, you can check for your battery health every now and then by going to settings. So once you are going into settings, we go down and tap on general or about, or in here in battery. And if we look for battery health, in here it shows cycle count and maximum capacity. At the moment, the phone is quite new. It's iPhone 17 Pro, so the maximum capacity is 100%, and it has already been charged with a cycle count of 10. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope some of the tips in here can help you out improving your user experience with the iPhone. Thank you for watching.